Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 28th. It's the last day of Feb 2025. The last day. It's also on a Friday, so be very careful. The market may be here having some crazy moves. So let's see how we did yesterday. We were looking for sales below this point, and we did get them. The buys didn't really happen, so the sells. This is how I did the trade. Yes, I entered the trade, and I'm actually still holding the trade. So let's see. How did I get this? So we were looking for sales below this area, and we got this candle, first of all, break all the way down to this point. But then, out of experience, I was like, you know what? If I take a sell from this point, this is going to be a low. So there's no need for me to take a sell at a low. We're supposed to sell high, buy low. So this was already a low, the place where the candle closed. So I waited for a retracement. I was looking for a retracement along this area again so that I can continue pushing down with it. So the market retraced two candles. This one came down again, pushed all the way over here. Now, for when this one closed here, I took my sell from this point. Right? I took my sell from this point. I put my stop loss above this wick over here, over there, the same place, and waited for the market. So there was a retracement that went up. The moment it retraced up again like that, I decided to do something we call dynamic risk. So with dynamic risk, what you do is when the market is going against you, and if you're so sure about your analysis and the market is going against you, you can actually add some more order. So I added another order at this point, but this was a purely execution. It was purely an aggressive entry. So I just executed as another sell, but with low lot size, of course, low risk. Stop loss immediately above this previous wick over here, right? And then the market did not further go up. It actually just pushed down, went down, did a retracement again. I'm still holding the trades. Remember? No, this first, the aggressive one, I actually exited the moment this candle went down to this point. I exited. I left the other one that is still running, and we're still holding it up to now. So this is going to be my take profits. Once we hit here, I'm out. What do we have for today? Fundamentals. Fundamentals for today, we have the PCE. All right. We have the core PCE coming in, GDP on the Canadian dollar as well. If you trade the Canadian dollar, you need to be very careful with that. We also have the CPI, German prelim CPI on the euro. Okay. So we have three major news today on euro, on CAD, and on USD. USD at 4:30 p.m. It's good to have that in your mind, at the back of your head, knowing that in whatever you do today, other than technicals, they're going to be having some fundamental effect pushing the market either way. So that depends with how the reports comes out. All right, full analysis once again. Again, it's a Friday, so if you've made some good profit, like we've done this week, we have had what? We've had 4 trading days. We've had 4 trading days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, this is the fourth one. So 3 trading days so far, and two in profits, and one did not really go the way we wanted. So if you would like to safeguard your profits, you don't really have to trade today. It's Friday and it's the end of a month. All right. So we said on weekly, this is going to be a weekly resistance once this weekly candle closes, which is closing today. So let's see how it behaves here. If it closes today, the better. Okay, we're going to be open a new week with a new weekly resistance. But as of now, we don't have a weekly resistance, neither do we have a monthly resistance. What we have is that we have an active candle. So we don't make resistance or support with an active candle, because an active candle means that the market has not yet closed. So, yeah, this is where we were yesterday. This is what we were doing yesterday. We were looking for, this was the daily support, and it's like it has been broken now, right? So let's see. So we're gonna mark it from that point. Again, I told you we cannot forget to. This is just to remember the important areas that we need as we go on. 4 hours. We have This is the new 4 hours resistance. I know, I know, I know. Because this is already broken now. See? This is already broken now. This was their daily resist support and it's already broken. So the reason why I'm leaving it is because I need to see what the next move could be. But if I am looking at if I am looking at it in a better mind just to see what the market, you see, if it's here, it's already done. So if I'm supposed to take a sell, I should have taken it from here, but then we have still have an active candle. So the market could retrace back over here and then you get an entry and try to push it down. But that doesn't mean that we can't do a fresh new look on the market. So I put it over there. All right, like that, and we say that the resistance and the support over here, and okay, here we go. It's like, yeah, we're forming some lower lows, which is equally okay. All right, we're forming some lower lows. All right, so this is where we are right now. We are in this right about now. Let's see on 30 minutes. 30 minutes candle. What we got on 30 minutes? Yes, yes. We're gonna adjust this to this point like that and say that we have also something like that. So now what we need to do is to get below, I need that one. Okay. Let me tell you how. This is how we're going to make it. This is how we're gonna make it happen. Okay. We're going to be having aggressive buys above that point. And then you're also going to be having sells below the 28, 56 area. Okay. Stop loss just below that point. For the cells, I'm gonna take it from there, do it like that, and yeah. So basically, this is what we're going to be looking at today. So we'll be looking at this. Remember what we've said. It ain't no must that you do it. It's on a Friday. Again, safeguard. If you already made your targets for the week, there's no need for you to risk more. Okay. But let's look at this way. All right. We'll review this on Monday. Happy hunting, guys. Blessed week. Blessed weekend as well. Yeah. See you. Trade what you see, not what you think, and see you on Monday. Bye bye.